What's up, guys? Guess what? Something arrived early. Yeah, I am excited. So you're probably wondering, well, why you got it opened up? Well, let's just say I shall be replacing the factory fans with a couple of these. We got one there. It's pulling air in this direction. And this guy exhausting out. So they're going to be going bye-bye, and I'm going to have some quiet fans in there because I've had good luck with this guy in the SounDigital 3K. So we're just going to swap these, put them in there. Stay tuned.